Tonight, members of local law enforcement are reacting following the shooting death of a police officer just outside Kansas City on Wednesday. Independence police officer Blaze Madrid Evans, still in field training, just 18 days into his job when he was shot and killed. KQ2's Ron Johnson spoke with various members of law enforcement in our area about how these kinds of tragedies affect the law enforcement community.
Here's a guy who got up, suited up to go out and protect his community, was trying to protect his community, doing everything that he was supposed to be doing, and a bad guy did a very, very heinous thing.
Though the shooting death of police officer Blaze Madrid Evans happened in Independence, for local law enforcement, it's a reality check.
I didn't know this young man, but I mean, it does hit home for all of us.
Madrid Evans died after a suspect fired at him and other officers from his home as they approached. The 22-year-old, fresh out of the academy, was critically wounded before passing away Wednesday night.
Hadn't even really gotten a good start in his career, and then tragedy struck.
His death, a painful reminder of the dangers facing law enforcement every day. The St. Joseph Police Department has seen 9 officers die by gunfire in its 161-year history, along with K-9 Officer Max, who was shot and killed earlier this year. Commander Eric Protzman says the impact of an officer's loss is far-reaching.
We're all trained to save lives, and when you have to get involved and a life is taken, it becomes very tragic and very hard on officers also.
For Independence law enforcement officers, they can be sure resources will be made available.
Conversations about it, discussions, getting the right help, whether it's peer counseling, psychological counseling.
Talking about it is also how Commander Joseph King deals with tragedies in the field. The director of the Law Enforcement Academy at Missouri Western says examining these kinds of cases help future officers.
We honor the people by using every opportunity to train and educate people about how to respond appropriately.
Madrid Evans himself had just graduated from the academy in July and was from the Smithville area. His life and career gone entirely too soon. Ron Johnson, KQ2 News.
Ron, thank you. A candlelight vigil was held for Officer Madrid Evans earlier tonight at the Independence Police Department. If you would like to read about some heroes lost in the line of duty, you can check out the website odmp.org.